iOS 6, an operating system nearly everybody loved and enjoyed back then and partially still does nowadays. But unfortunately time goes on and Apple mainly gives a shit about your love for iOS 6, so they decided to make their OS more modern and progressive. How uncool. And the developers needed to adapt to their changes to sell their apps and make a shitload of money out of in-app purchases, but there's still some cool apps and games running on iOS 6. First of all, I'll present you some different options because there are many different ways to chisel these old heaps of data which were invented by the Neanderthals and painted onto ancient cave walls 40,000 years ago into your iDevice. So let's begin. The first method is the download of the forgotten and neglected App Store apps. Mostly those are the crap developers didn't earn enough money with or gave a shit about, and so they were discontinued around 100 years before the birth of JC. Unfortunately, Apple seemed to delete them from the App Store if they're too old, so I don't know how long you can download the following digital sanctuaries. The first one is called Hoggy, and I think it isn't even optimized for the iPhone 5 screen. In the game you're playing a pink turd which needs to collect all fruits in each level to unlock more levels. In the beginning it looks pretty easy, but trust me, the appearances are deceptive. The next one is called FallDown, a very simple game, but it's a pretty good one for now and then. All you have to do is to fall down. And that are all games I found you can download the latest version of. It is very disappointing, especially because I checked many different charts of apps for old iOS versions, so I think we have to move on to the next method. For this one you need a basic understanding of black magic and a second iDevice within your version of iOS, like iOS 12 or 13 for the best results. The most important precondition is that you're using the same Apple ID and same App Store country on both devices. Now using the newer device you need to open the App Store page of the game or app you want to get and download it. If you don't need the app on the newer device, you can delete it immediately. If you open up the App Store page of that app on your older device now, you'll recognize that the download button was replaced with the stylish cloud with an arrow. If you hit that button, there's a pretty high chance you can download an older version of this game or app now. But to disappoint you right again, it won't work with every app, and especially social media applications won't allow you to do that. If you're searching for games, I would recommend Hill Climb Racing, Doodle Jump, Subway Surfers, Cut the Rope, Dismount, Temple Run and Tap the Frog. If you have more cool apps, you can let me know in the comments, and if I find them cool too, I'll add them to the description of this video. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this video will turn criminal. The last way I want to present you is the jailbreak method. Now you might think, wait, the installer store is down and the other stores aren't supporting iOS 6 at all. That's correct, but what you can do is to jailbreak your device and to install AppSync from this gently fed in source, and after that you can decide if you use a downloader on your iDevice or if you want to do it with a PC program called FreeUtools, which I prefer by the way. So what you'll do now is to visit this website. Links are in the description by the way, and then you simply search for the app you want. After that you scroll down and click on toggle all links to search for an upload from 2012 to 2015. After you found a working one, you drag and drop the IPA file into the app tab of your iDevice in FreeUtools, and that's pretty much it, but I want to mention it again. This is the most unsecure method and I can't promise the download pages are safe, so I really wouldn't recommend to use this one. So I hope I've helped you with this video. If you want to check out some more apps, here are some screenshots from my old iPod Touch 4th generation, but I'm not quite sure if every one of these still work. Don't forget to take a look at the description and to leave some more games in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Adios amigos.